Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make a GUI calculator. For example, I have made one already. So I am writing here 10 plus 10, which is equals to 20. And it is a fully accurate and operating calculator. So I'm going to tell you how to design it and how to do the coding. So this is, I have done some part of the calculator. I have named this button as button clear, and I have in the text box I have written AC means all clear, and I have set the width to 77 and 43 and height as 43. And I have in multiplication and division I have duplicate the multiplication box, which is same as this one, and I have written here X instead of the symbol. It is looking like the symbol only. And the division sign, I have searched it in the Google division symbol. It has given me the division sign. So I have put here two text input box in which we will put the numbers. We will calculate the numbers, and I named it as, in the placeholder I have named it at first number and named it as, and the ID is text input first. And the second thing I have duplicated it, just changed the name as second, and in the placeholder I have written second placeholder. And here I have done a label, and which is blank, in which like here, in which when we click here it changes the sign. That's the operator label. So let's do the other buttons and do the numbers. So I will be doing the numbers here. First I will take one button here, and I will keep the button 1 as it is, and in the place of button I will write here 1, and I will decrease the width of it. I will now increase the border radius. I will increase the font size here. I will not change the font family of it because it is a really nice font here. I will change the color of it, this, and it is okay. And now we will duplicate it. I will then place the numbers and change the IDs of it. So I have done all the buttons here. Now I will do the addition sign and the minus sign. So how I will do the addition sign is, I will take one more button. I will name it as button add, and in place of button I will put the addition sign, then decrease the width of it, and now I will increase the height of it. And I will increase the border radius. I will increase the font size, and I will change the color to this, and I will change the font color as well. And now we will duplicate it. Now in place of button 12 I will write here add button as button sub, and in place of addition sign I will put the minus sign. It is really simple to do. And in here, when it will, and we have to put one more button in the bottom left. it will tell button equal. So put here the equal to sign, increase the width of it, and increase the font size, the border radius. Now I will decrease the border radius because I want to make it really sharp. Change the color to a really bright red. Okay. Now I will put here a label sign in between, in the middle here, and I will make it at label answer. And I will keep it blank, and I will change the background color of it. I will keep it white. Increase the width, increase the height. Okay, now our designing is completed. Now let's go to the coding. So now for the coding part, first we will declare a variable as where count equals to 1, and then we will take an uneven block and in the id place we will write when button 0 clicked what will happen, and here inside the uneven block we will put an if else block, and we will take a equal to block, and here we will put the count equals to 1. And from the UI controls we will take the set number block, and id will be as text input first, and then we will take an add block in the place of number. Then we will put a get text block inside the first place of number. Get text from text input first, and here we will put 0 here. And now we will take in the else section we have to put another set number. Then in place of text input first we have to put text input second. Take an add block. Take the get text block. Put the text input second, and here we will do again 0. So we will do the same thing with the other numbers as well. So now I have done all the buttons, button 0 to button 9. So let me check if it is working or not. It is working really nicely. Now we have to create the events for button, the addition and subtraction, multiplication, the operators, all the operators you have to make, all the programs of the operator. So first we will take an on event again. We will choose the ID of the operator. We will choose the button add, and inside it we will write set text as that here there is a label operator. It should be displayed on the label operator, and then the text we have to put the addition sign. And for the button subtract, we have to do the same thing. Instead of doing the button add, we have to do the button subtract. So we have done the button subtract here. Then we have to take the set text as label operator and text will be minus. We have to do the same thing with the division and multiplication. So I have done all the events for the operators. So now we have to make the function of the button arrow. So here we will take the on event block. So in the ID we will do the button arrow. We'll choose the button arrow, and in it, from the variables, we will change the variable the count variable as 2. So we will write here count to 2. So now we will take another on event for the all clear button. So we will choose the all clear button from here. Button clear here, and we will take a two set number. Now we will take two set numbers. In the first we will put the text input first, and the next one we will put text input second, and here we will put the two semicolons. Then we will take the set text. Here we will put at the in the label what will be in the label operator. So we will choose the label operator, and we will put only two semicolons. We will take another set number from here. Then we will take the label answer. We will again put the two semicolons. Okay, so now we have to make the function of the make the event for the button equal. What will the button event? What will the button equal to do after we click it? So we will put here button equal. Button equal. Then we will take if else block from the control section. Now we will take the equal to sign, in which here we put it here, and here we will put the get text block, and we will put here the label operator. The computer does not accept as the plus minus as the numbers. It processes as they are the text. Okay, so here we will put the add symbol in between the semicolons, and we will put below here in the if section only, we will put set number at label answer. We'll take the add sign from here. Then we will take the to get number in both sections. We'll put it here. Set text input first. This will be here. Text input second. So this is we click the add, we have to add two numbers, then the answer will get here. We will get the answer in this label answer. So we will do the same thing with the other operators. Just we will change the sign here and the sign here. So we will take 3 more else if so we will do the same thing with them. So I have done the same thing with all the other operators. Okay, so our um calculator is officially done. So please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching.